Hi, good morning, Lori. My name is Chris Claxton, ma'am. I work over here at Reliable Nissan, right across the street from the Cottonwood Mall. Just wanted to take a quick few minutes of your day and give you a little walk-around video on one of our 2016 Ford Focuses, ma'am. So there's actually quite a few options for you right now at this time at our dealership. You know, we got like a 2013, 2014. The one you were looking at actually had a little bit more miles than this guy, but same year, same body style. This one only has 7,000 miles and it's, you know, only a few grand more. So I just wanted to make a quick walk around video. Like I said, the other one you inquired on is going to be the same vehicle, same features. This guy does have a backup camera, Bluetooth, automatic headlights. You know, for their base model there at Ford, you know, this guy is pretty well equipped. Like I said, all of them are in your price range. The other one has more miles on it, but it's a few grand less. But just wanted to, you know, introduce myself. Again, my name is Chris Claxton. Give you a quick little walk around video so you can kind of get a sneak peek at, you know, what you're looking at. I know the pictures online don't give you, you know, too much on there, but like I said, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, their new, you know, their new display up here for the Fords. Kicking in reverse, the backup camera will pop up. Connection for the USB and your 12 volt outlet. Nice roomy back seat. So yeah, man, like I said, we have quite a few options for you. Also some exciting news over here. We kind of merged back up with our sister store, Reliable Chevrolet. So I actually have access to 2 used vehicle inventories, and excited to get you in, man. Please give me a call when you get this message.